Alright guys, welcome to part 2. This is box number 2 and we shall open it up and see if it has the same items as the first one. If you missed it, I'll put the link at the end of this video. Let's see. Super fun. I also like seeing what other people get and also hearing what they end up doing with some of the items that they have found. So let's take a peek. I see some fabric there. So let me just put this aside and we'll open it up. Alright, the first item, we saw that blue fabric and it is a t-shirt. Let's see what the size is. Small, which is perfect. I'm going to send this off to my daughter. That's always fun to have and use. I think these retail about $5 to $7 if I'm not mistaken. And we have some artificial flowers here. $5.99 for our spring flowers. And this one's $9.99. So these are really pretty. Love that. We have our brown craft paper bags, and you guys know we like to use this for our journals, mini pocket albums, so there's a lot to work with there for crafting. We got some star stickers. How fun is that? This will be great for teachers. I love that. And more of the t-shirts. This time we have one in yellow, and it's 2XL is the size. Nice color there, nice and bright. And we have another one in pink. And this one is extra large. Yay, we have another blue one. Extra large, so my husband can probably use that. And let's see if they have another small. We have a large in pink. I can probably use that one. And a lighter blue. I like this indigo blue in small. That's really cool. Perfect. So this is nice. This is definitely different from our box number 1. And this one is extra large. We have a fun feather here. Our dog Bailey hates feathers, so I'm definitely going to hide that from him. Put that over there. I see some more of our florals. Uh-oh. It says do not sell. Recall item. Lots more in aisle. Ooh, yikesy. I wonder why. Why was this recalled? Is there something that's not good? We have a single macrame little piece here. They shouldn't be selling that. They should have just threw that away. Yeah, these ones are a little broken. This one seems to be a little bit together. There's no price on that, but that's that. We got more of our shirts. And this is really nice and soft. I'm trying to see if it's cotton. No, it's 62% cotton and then polyester. Another indigo in what size? Extra large. Another one of our shirts here in small. And little tumbler here. $9.99, and then we have the Pride hearts. Cool. We have these cute little artificial mini potted plants. Usually retails for $5.99. Here are a few more with the mini hydrangea. Oh, I love this one. Look at that color. How cool are these? This would be fun to put. We're trying to build, we have like these little pots in our garden, and we're creating little places like a fairy garden. Maybe this would look great for a little Alice in Wonderland theme. You know, when the flowers are really large, and we have these little Alice in Wonderland figures that we can add. That might be a great project for that. Here's one, and it's marked damaged. Let's see how damaged it is. So we have, some of the crayons are broken, so we can take out the ones, the palette's still good. Definitely can still use a lot of the other items. So we'll put that there. And then I remember getting this in my previous box, and we're actually using them for one of our planters, for a little hedgehog planter. So I will add that to the other one. Here's the other macrame piece. Oh, how cute! More fun kitty stuff. This is the yarn kit ensemble dynamite. I think it is adorable. I love this. How cute is that? You can even make your own design. Doesn't have to be what they sent, although I will have to look and see if the design's already printed on the cardboard. So here it is. Oh, I see. Okay. There's your dino, and then this is the set. And let's see if it's complete. We have the yarn, dynamite, the stand, and our instruction sheet. Cool. So we have that kit. Let me see what else we have in this box. We have another one of the yarn craft kits. Now I love saving this and giving it out for Christmas or for kids' birthday parties, and these are wonderful activity kits, and for that price you save a lot buying this grab bag. So we have that one, 4 so far. It looks like we have 3 more. And let's put that there. Oh, nice! We have one in a unicorn, so that's neat. I'm glad to see one of these in here. So that's perfect. And the last item in this box is a needlepoint kit with a taco. I know my daughter Emma's gonna love this one. So what a fun $5 grab bag box. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Make sure to check out the part 1 if you missed it. Again, thanks for watching Karamia's Corner. See you next time. Bye.